The southern region has many fields for farming plants and crops. The southern region has great soil for farming. The southern region consists of Maryland, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia.
There are many different cash crops. Examples are tobacco, cotton, indigo, and rice.
If you like the sunshine, you will love to make a visit to any of the southern colonies.
It also gets very humid at times, but it's nice to stay in for a rainy day.
If you need help on your plantation, then come on down where we have many options for slaves. Are you looking for a job? Well, then you are in luck. Artisans, small farmers, overseers, plantation owners, we got them all.
Down in the county seat, people went to church, held dances, and even traded. If you come down to the southern region, you won't regret it.
Did you like your trip? If so, come back soon.